Hello everyone, it's Tracy. We are going to attempt to paint this buffalo plaid or gingham pattern on this little bunny, and I am going to share my tips of what to do if it doesn't turn out the way that you want. So stay tuned because I'm giving you lots of tips in this video. The little spacers of the tape helps me figure out where I need to put the next line, and then I will take that little tape up that's for spacers. I will take that up before I paint it, because then all of the lines will be evenly spread apart, and it really makes designing this very easy. I am keeping everything very real here with you guys. This is the very first time that I am attempting this plaid pattern, and I wanted to show everyone how to do it. It's really my very first time, and I'm going to take you through and show you some of the mistakes that I made, kind of let you know, hey, don't do this. And so then now I know for the next time what not to do and what I need to do a little bit different. So let's learn together. This is definitely one of those little tips. Let your paint completely dry in between the layers, because otherwise it will peel up just like this, but it's okay. I went ahead and touched it up with my paint and started over. in the future, I would not recommend using this color of paint because it was very thin and I had to do 2 coats, and so it was just a little disappointing. And then also I want to kind of share some of my things that I did wrong, and also how I corrected them, and so that you can not make the same mistakes that I did. So when I pulled off the tape, I realized that I did not have that last layer of tape smooth enough, and the dark pink ran underneath there. It kind of bled, but you know what? Do not be any concerned, because I'm going to tell you how we're going to fix it. Okay guys, I totally bombed this plaid tutorial, buffalo check, gingham, whatever you want to call it. When I put my first layer of paint down, I didn't let it dry all the way, and so then when I put my tape over it, it kind of peeled up the layer of paint. So then I got a little scared, so then I didn't, you know, put my tape down for the 4th layer. I did not put it down really hard, and I should have, because it kind of bled in between, but it's not a total scratch. So in true Tracy fashion, I'm just going to use a black Sharpie marker and doodle some lines, and it is going to be just fine. Okay, so a black Sharpie marker can really just take a project from ditch it to it's gonna be okay. Before I put the black Sharpie marker on there, I did go back through and touch up any with the paint, with the different colors of pink paint that I had. I went ahead and took my paintbrush and just kind of, you know, touched it up a little bit, because some of those squares were just a little crazy. And just by adding the doodling of the black Sharpie marker, I know all of the time y'all leave me comments and just, you know, just say so many nice things about my little doodling, but really it's just years of practice. And you know, if I mess up, I just, you know, kind of make it into the whimsical look, and it really just does take a project that you think, oh my gosh, I have totally messed this up. You can just add some a Sharpie marker, and then also you can also add some splattering of paint. My favorite paint to splatter is black paint as well as white paint, and it just really takes your project to a whole nother level. So I hope this was helpful. If so, please give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment. Subscribe to my channel if you are new here. I would love to have you. I have lots of new and fun, exciting things coming up. So thanks so much for watching, guys, and we'll talk to you soon. God bless.